EcoChemPro XL can be used to clean a wide range of soiling from almost any surface, including metals, concrete, floors, walls, fabric, and more. Before we consider the different types of cleaning, it's important to understand what we call the cleaning triangle. The cleaning triangle has 3 points, and each point represents a variable element for effective cleaning. Number 1 is chemical contact time. Number 2 is chemical temperature. And number 3 is agitation. This cleaning triangle varies from job to job and industry to industry, but it's the triangle, the 3 points, that remain constant. Now let's take a deeper dive into the cleaning triangle a little further. So, number 1, chemical contact time. All cleaning chemicals, including EcoChemPro XL, have a number of components that work to loosen and in some cases dissolve the soiling from a surface. These often complex components work differently on different types of soiling and on different surfaces. For example, a small area of spilled Coca-Cola on a kitchen countertop will need less time to clean up than an oil spill on a warehouse floor. Contact time is important, and leaving a chemical to soak in and do its job effectively should always be considered for effective cleaning. There's a saying in the janitorial industry, soak, don't scrub. Too often cleaners will apply a chemical and spend unnecessary energy scrubbing when a little soak time makes the job so much easier. Number 2 is chemical temperature. In most everyday engineering and janitorial settings, cleaning at ambient temperature is perfectly normal. However, some industries where cleaning takes place in automated CIP systems like food, brewing and pharmaceutical industries, cleaning chemicals are heated to assist the removal of soiling from surfaces like pipework, storage tanks, ovens, mixing vessels and so on. A word of warning here, never heat chemicals unless you're authorised to do so and until you've got confirmation that it's safe and effective. Always know the upper limits and know that the product is actually heat stable. EcoChemPro XL is heat stable and it can be heated to 95 degrees centigrade or about 203 degrees Fahrenheit if it's used in a closed cleaning system like a CIP set or a parts washer. For the most part, EcoChemPro will be used at ambient temperature, or room temperature as we call it. The proprietary formulation is highly effective at ambient temperature, especially when soak time and agitation are considered. Number 3 is chemical agitation. So agitation is any physical activity that has an abrasive effect on the surface or fabric being cleaned. Agitation can occur using a variety of methods, including brushing, mopping, wiping, rotation, and other mechanical action. Agitation works with the chemical to further disrupt the tension between the soiling and the surface that it clings to. Different soiling needs different levels of agitation. So when you combine the 3 points of the triangle, you get cleaner surfaces. You vary the 3 points of the cleaning triangle to achieve a superior clean, sometimes more soak time, sometimes more temperature, and sometimes more agitation. Industries who use automated cleaning of plant and equipment fully understand the cleaning triangle, and they adjust their cleaning cycles and processes accordingly. But the same works for manual cleaning. Always remember time, temperature, and agitation.